Today, I'm going to review Gourmet Creations Frozen Rocky Road Dessert Pizza, which I bought at Checkers Universitas for $64.99, 275 gram. A delicious dessert that combines classic pizza based with white and dark chocolate, toasted pecan nuts, and marshmallow. It's all the tastes I say, so let's put it in the oven and see what it tastes like. I always say it's all in the taste, but this actually smells and it looks really bloody delicious, I must say. So let's take a piece and taste what it tastes like. Here goes. Mmm, mmm. If I've never heard of a dessert pizza before, the first time I ever had, and this is exceptional. This is really good. I rate it an 8.8 out of 10. Thanks guys, love you all, till next time.